Hello guys, and today I'm handling an opportunity as I had promised in my last video. Uh, and many people are exploring flexible online opportunities that allow for a self-paced schedule. One such platform is Texting Factory. It is a global site where individuals can work as freelance chat operator, responding to text-based messages on various topics. To get started, there are a few standard requirements you must meet. You must be at least 18 years of age, have access to a reliable computer or laptop, and maintain a stable internet connection. Fluency in English is essential for high quality communication. Since this is a text-based role, there are no requirement for voice or video calls. Earnings on the platform are task-based. Operators are typically paid between 0.045 Eurocent to 7 Eurocents per message handled. Because the model is based on volume, your total earnings depend on the amount of time and effort you dedicate to the platform during your active hours. Managing international earnings is made easier through digital financial tools, and Texting Factory utilizes platforms like Wise, Gray, and Yoursafe for weekly payout. Using services like Wise and Gray can help you manage different currencies and facilitate transfers to your local account efficiently. For those managing their online presence, tools like MoreLogin can assist in keeping digital workspace organized. Visit the official Texting Factory website to review their full terms and conditions. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe and follow right now. Stay tuned for the next video where I will be breaking down the next major online opportunity. Thank you.